Guys, so we are here at the beach at Batangas Beach Resorts in Ponto Miguel Beach House. So you can see guys, Ponto Miguel Beach House. So we are here. Okay, so we will go home tomorrow. There's a mini bar. So they have children's area here. It's still so hot outside. So guys, this is coconut. It's a garden. So this one is for the children. Because everybody are swimming already. And you can see the mountain, guys. Yeah. So here also the resorts. Okay, here. But not too much people are swimming because it's too hot. And it's noon time until there.